Hi, welcome back. I hope you were able to draw your journey map and was able to capture some emotions, what's actually going on for you right now. I actually wanted to talk to you about, yes, my journey was sucky, and yes, my succometer was over the roof and it was almost about to burst, or it bursted. What did I do to cope up with this? How did I cope up with my journey? Can you guess what I did? Netflix. That was my coping mechanism. I will come home, switch on Netflix, and just try to forget everything that's happening in my life. All day, every day, on weekends, this is where I used to be. I was a couch potato. And that was not healthy. But that's how I choose to cope up. That's how I choose to forget. That's how I choose to ignore that I have this big thing going on in my life with all these emotions and this roller coaster journey. And that was not healthy. That was not at all healthy. There are many things I should have said no to, but I didn't. Being on Google all day, every day, looking desperately for answers. Joined bunch of support groups, especially online groups, that actually only brought me down. That didn't help me. Comparing my test results and numbers with other people. I'll just put like, this is my HCG number. What do you think? Do I have a chance? Things like that. I used to do that all the time. And it didn't really help. All these other people in the group, they're all not doctors. They're all people going through infertility. And I was just desperately looking for answers in wrong places. Some support groups gave me medical advice. Like, have you tried this procedure? Ask your doctor to do this because it worked for me. And they are not run by medical doctors. And that's a bad idea. Finding solace in other people's failures. Actually, it sounds very mean, but what I was going through at the time, that was my reality. And I'm just admitting it. And hanging out with people, family and friends and colleagues who just brought me down for whatever reason, that didn't really help me. So these are my no-to list. But this is what I was doing. I wish I had said no to them, but I didn't. I certainly wish I had said yes to this list. Self-care. I never cared about me at that time. I never loved me. I was angry at me all the time. I hated me. Self-love is really important. Self-care is really important. Intentional acceptance of the situation and reality. For example, just practice by saying something like this. This journey sucks my energy, and I know it. Just even saying that out loud, you're actually accepting it, accepting the reality. If you're an extrovert who likes to hang out with people, go hang out with people you absolutely love and who loves you back, and those who do not remind you of your fertility struggles. If you're an introvert, maybe take a nap or a favorite book or hang out with your favorite book. Learn a new craft, something that you always wanted to learn. For example, ethnic cooking, printing, photography, coloring, poetry, anything that you wanted to do. Say yes to that. Say yes to recording your suckiness score in the succometer. See where you are. Do some charity work. Volunteer for a nonprofit. Chores are activities that that you truly enjoy. Chores are activities that you truly enjoy. For me, like I said, I'm Miss Monk. So I like to clean and organize my home. And that's something that I truly enjoyed. Join a support group that truly supports you, uplifts you, and cheers you, not brings you down. Talk to a professional fertility coach just like myself, who has experienced infertility and can offer you a safe space to explore your feelings. I am sure as a woman you're doing this already, because I was. Talk to a medical professional about getting tips to improve your fertility. Is there anything that you can do? And in general, just hang out with more positive and uplifting people. These are the list. These are the tips that I wish I had when I was going through this journey. I will see you in the workbook part.